really early in the morning, just getting in. Wanted to share with you before we start building this today. Customer came in last week and just moved into the area, starting his business, and we're gonna be building him this 16-foot trailer. Starting off with GX690 Landa 8-gallon per minute cold water unit. This is one of our best sellers. Got the stainless frame. We showed it off before on our channel. He's getting one of those. Eventually he wants to also add a hot water skid here in the front. He's got a 325 water tank. He decided to go with a vertical chem tank, 55 gallons, so that way he can get the bulk pricing and chemical. And also he's getting our Softwash system set up as well. He'll be bringing us a generator to also put on here. He's stacking the reels off the back here. So he'll have 2 Haine reels stacked there for his pressure washer. And then also he went with a stainless hub for the Softwash tank as well, which this all be put on the back side of the trailer to make room for potential hot water trailer in the future. So typically we wouldn't put all this weight on the back end of the trailer, but since he wants to add that pretty soon, we want to leave space in the front. So really important that when we build these trailers, the idea is we want to keep this chemical as far away from his pressure washers as possible and try to secure it in a way that's not going to affect any of the other equipment that it is near. So again, you know, we have our steel reinforced frames that we wrap around the tanks just to kind of make it look a little more professional, a little more stable. So I think it's going to turn out really well. So stay tuned and I'll share it with you when we're done. Hope you guys are doing well.